Hello guys, in this video we're going to see how to reverse a string. So let's start. I'll take a string str. Let's take any value. I'll take Java, and you can take any value in str variable of string type. So yeah, I take Java because it's only 4 letters and it will be easier to see the reverse of that string. So after this, in the next program, I'll probably teach you how to do this using scanner, like scanner class, and how to take input from the user and then reverse the string. So I'm just explaining you the logic in this tutorial. After that we'll be using scanner class. So let's go ahead with this. So what is the uh, length of the string? So there is a length method in the string class. We'll use that, and we'll store it in a variable int length. Okay, so what is giving the length of the string Java? So it must be 4, right? So it is stored in uh, variable len. Now what we're going to do, we're going to have to run for. Okay, so for this, guys, please let me know if you guys are aware of looping statements like for and conditional statements, if else, switch statement, while statement. If you are willing to learn control statements and while loop and all, I am more than willing to explain you all that, uh, given that you let me know in the comments that you want to learn that as well. So let's go ahead and int I. Since we have to reverse it, we have to start from the end of the string. So I'll explain you why I gave len -1. Let me type it out first. Let's take a empty string here. It will be useful. So what I'll store here is first of all rev, that is an empty string. It will be added to another string, which is str dot char at I. Okay, so what it's doing, len -1. So what is the length of this variable? 4. So it will start from 4 minus 1, 3. So what is that? 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So it will start from here, and then it will keep decrementing, like 3, then 2, then 1, and then finally 0. So our code is almost done. I just have to print out the result. Reverses. Yeah. So let's run it. Okay, no issues. We will fix the problem here. See, we need to learn how to read these uh, errors. Exception in thread main Java not long that insert to complete. Okay, so it is saying that there is no semicolon here. Okay, so again I'll try to run it. Reverse is awag. Okay, so for Java it is awag. Say I give it another value, say USA. Okay, now let's run it. ASU. So I hope this reverse string is reverse of the string is clear. And in the next tutorial, I will explain you. If you don't understand this logic, I'll explain you the logic, and as well as uh, reversing string using scanner class. So stay tuned for that. And also, guys, please let me know if you want to start with testing tutorials, because I'll be more than willing to start those, because I wanted to make a base, like for working in Selenium or automation. You need to have a solid understanding of Java itself. So I was trying to you know give you a little bit of knowledge of Java. So uh, so for that, I was making Java videos, and I'll be still making Java videos, but side by side, I'll be making Selenium videos as well, just to give you how automation and Selenium and all these things work, and what are the different terminologies. There are lots of terminology and you know jargons in the testing field. So I hope you like this video. See you next time, and